Today I'll be showing you nature of fabrini Park with my sister.
Hi!
So there's many rivers, trees, and grass, even tall grass. So in the video I'll be showing you me swinging on a tree with my sister. Do you hear the sounds of the frog? Shh. You hear it? That's the frog song. So this is all the nature we have around. I'm showing you right now. So I will be like driving with my car and my electric scooter.
No?
Yes. Also, it's windy. You could hear the wind. Tell me in the comments if you've been here. So this is my scooter.
And this is my scooter.
So I'm gonna show you how I do this. If it scared you, tell me in the comments. So guys, I'll go all the way over there to all the way here. I'm gonna go. Look sick. So was it fun? It was fun. So it's the time to me swing on a tree and my sister. First, my sister is going to swing. Look, guys. Go. Ta-da! She is swinging. Now it's my turn. So now am I going? This was so fun.
I want to try again!
Okay, so she is now trying again. She's now going again. See, ta-da! Now it's my turn again.
Yeah! Yeah, that's lot for you swing. I want to try again!
Now she is trying again. It's windy. A little windy. So now I'm going to show you nature. So guys, do you know what kind of plants is these? I do not know. Tell me in the comments. What kind of plants is these? So
And we're going to go to the park.
yeah. So this is the leaf doing something here. They do not know. So this tree where we're swinging, it's so tall right now. Let me just show you the sky. So that was the sky. So it's windy right now. So I wish you had a fun time watching my video. So this is the end of the video. So please like and subscribe to my videos. I will see you in the next video. Bye.